Hi, my name is Chrissy Deering, and this is my cooking lab project. So I start off by showing our basic ingredients that will be used. A cup of sugar will be used, a cup of water that will be combined with the sugar, 6 tablespoons already cut out of butter. I show our heavy whipping cream. I have a bowl that will be shown to collect our simple syrup for tasting, a glass jar to collect our caramel to taste and compare the end product with our simple syrup. I've got a whisk that will be used. A knife was used to cut the butter. And I do have some table salt just for choice with the caramel at the end. So over here, I start off by combining the sugar and the water. I have my saucepan a little preheated because of my stove, but it's at a medium heat, and I'm simply combining, and I will begin to whisk these two together. I whisk my sugar until it's fully dissolved, and here's a bit of that process. So there's some clumps in there that I had to whisk through, but I basically I work with what's in the pan. It's not a hard process whatsoever to begin with, and I'm simply slowly whisking, and then you will see that I have sped up and our sugar is now fully dissolved. So I work with that until we are ready for a little bit of our simple syrup. You can see there it is. And then I keep my saucepan on until our water is fully dissolved and we see a nice amber color, in which I add my 6 tablespoons of butter once that amber color is present. So I'm just stirring that in. At first I do it a little slower than usual, and then I pick up pace on that whisking process of the butter. I work with this again until it is fully dissolved, and then I will be able to pour in my heavy whipping cream. Again, this was also a process that took me a little bit longer than maybe somebody else, but it was, I don't know, it was a good learning process. So here I am going in with half my cup of heavy whipping cream, slowly adding that in and whisking to avoid any scorching of our sugary product. So there that is. And then I just continue whisking until I got that consistency that I wanted. I let it simmer for about 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Well, a little bit over that, but here it is. And then I've got that nice golden caramel look, and I let it sit, and it's a little lighter in color, but it is thick and creamy and soft to taste. So